No. Hello, welcome back to today's video. My name is Madhavati, and if you're new here, I talk about business and how to start your business on a budget. Please press the subscription button, the like button, and the notification button to know when I post. It's been a while. I don't have a reason for that, it's just been a while. So, you know what? I'm just on a roller coaster today. I'm going to record this YouTube video and a few TikToks. So, thank you all for subscribing. We have 11 subscribers. I love you. And my lip glosses, she loves me. I will put a picture right here so that you get to see her and you can get it for wholesale for your business. Or if you want me to sell it as a retail where you just want the lip gloss and you don't want to start a business, you will get a lip gloss in a tube and you can do that. So you know what, I've been talking for over a minute, so let's get right into this video. So Hans, you will excuse this thing that shows that I'm screen recording. So as you can see on our left hand side, we have templates that show. I chose like Instagram post size. It is 1080 by 1080. So you can see that they are giving us examples, templates, inspiration, but already I know what I want to do, I think. So we're going to go to element, and at element we're going to choose, I'm starting with YouTube logo, and they're going to give me YouTube logo, and I'm going to pick the first one. Yep. And I think you can customize the colors. No, you cannot. Then we're not picking that one. Yep, we can customize the colors on this one. That is fun. So the red is gonna be pink. The white is gonna, okay, wait. The white is gonna be pink too. White is going to be pink, but a different shade of pink. Okay, so I'm gonna go to clipboard and we're gonna pick this pink. Yep. And I'm gonna go to red. I already have my colors saved. Just so, oh my god. Just so that everything, it is easy for me. Oh my god. Yep. And the white, we're gonna leave the white there. So we're gonna go to text. So I'm going to choose the one at the top, this one at heading, the bigger one, and I'm going to write YouTube. I'm gonna put it right here below YouTube, and I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna leave it at black. And which font? I'm gonna choose Anton. So I decided to change the color to pink, and I'm gonna go to effects, and then I'm gonna go to shadow, and my shadow is going to be white, right? And I'm going to make it a little bit transparent. Let's zoom in and see what I'm doing. A little bit transparent, and direction I want it to be at the top. At the top, I hope you can see it. At the top. And offset, not that much. So this is it. And then this is YouTube growth. So I'm gonna add another text heading again, and I'm gonna say YouTube growth. And I'm going to change the font. I'm gonna choose Brittany. These are the fonts that I use. And I'm gonna go to effect. I'm gonna choose this one, change effect, and then I'm gonna choose this one. Then as you can see, we're gonna zoom in, and oh my god, I want it to be, Jesus Christ, transparent. And the offset, still not that much, or direction I mean to say. and the offset not that much. So it's gonna be YouTube growth, and this is how it is. So let's see if my YouTube symbol, the YouTube logo, is in between. Yep, it is, but I want it to go a little bit up, but still in the middle, the center, and I want this to be big, a little bit bigger, and growth can be small or big. Wait, let's do this. Let's try to do this. Oh my god, I hate it when it does this. I'm going to, just so that you can see it without, right? And we're going to copy this. I copied the page right on this button here. Oh my god, I zoom and it doesn't zoom the button. Alright, and then now for the logo, we're going to choose IG. Instagram logo. I'm going to change it to. So let's see, which one are we using? I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, you cannot change the colors on it. Oh no, you want the one where you can customize it how we like. So I'm gonna leave it at the size, delete the one at the back, and I'm gonna write Instagram here. Instagram growth. Oh, we forgot to change that. And it's gonna be pink. Yep, I love it. So what else do I want to show on my Instagram highlights? I'm gonna copy it again. I have YouTube, and now I'm going to add Twitter, right? Because I just started a new Twitter account yesterday, literally, and I'm looking forward to it. So we have a couple of options. Let's see. I want to see which logo goes with my logos, and I think I know which logo. This one. Can I change the colors? Yes, I can change the colors. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my god. Oh Lord. Dude, this is so hard. Okay, now I'm gonna write Twitter. And oh no. Okay. This is a mess, but it's okay. So, and yep, I'm gonna take it down a little bit, just a little bit. Change the colors. It's going to be pink and red. Yep. It is cute, and they go together. And TikTok. Okay, I'm gonna copy, and I want the TikTok logo. Oh, Instagram too. Oh my god, I have a lot of things that I want to promote. But it's okay. We are doing it. So it is slow. The lights are going to go off soon. So I'm rushing this video as fast as I can. I still need to make a thumbnail. This is me. Every time I record a video, I make the thumbnail when I want to post a video. I forgot about the thumbnail. Okay, since I want to write my own text, I don't want this one that is written TikTok. Can I change the colors on this one? No, I cannot. Okay, delete. I think this one I can. Yes, and I can. I can do that. I can do it. Everything to Christ, the Lord. Joy celebration. That is nothing. So I'm gonna make it pink. Oh my god, can you be pink? And why doesn't it change? Why? I'm gonna choose this color, and red is going to be my darkest pink. Well, I wanted to change. So Hans, I just realized that I didn't screen record when I was changing my TikTok logo. So this is how it turned out, and these are my customer feedback. It didn't screen record. I posted because I was having troubles with the TikTok logo, so I had to pause and do everything real quick, and I forgot to press play. So this is the last one, customer feedback. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed and that this was informative. And this is how I use Canva for almost everything, literally everything. So yeah. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you learned a few things from me changing my Instagram by myself without paying anyone to do it for me. Hopefully you did. enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to know when I post another video. Thank you. Bye.